Hi grade 6, welcome to your first lesson of ukulele this term. As we had talked about before, this term we are going to be embarking on an adventure in our duets. That means we've been practicing a lot. Hi grade 6, welcome to your first lesson of ukulele this term. As we had talked about before, this term we're going to be focusing on being able to play well with a partner. Meaning, we've got to get our part good and make sure our partner gets their part good. And we have to make sure we practice together, alright? So we're mainly going to have two parts. We're going to have a lead part and a rhythm part. The lead person is going to play the notes. Alright, single notes. And the rhythm person is going to be playing the chords. And together, it sounds complete because you have someone holding down the rhythm, someone playing the lead. So, let's start off by listening to our first melody. It's a very classic melody. You've probably heard it a bunch of times played on the piano, but today we're going to do it on the ukulele. So let's go for it. This is Body and Soul. Alright, so let's start off by learning the lead part. Zoom into the ukulele and let's get this. Alright, so starting off, we're going to have to learn our scale. Remember, the point of a scale is so that we can be able to know the right notes and so that we don't step on any bombs and blow the song up. So this song is in the key of C major. So we're going to start off by playing 0, 2. Make sure you use the right fingers, the ones I'm using. As we're playing the melody, we'll change the fingers up a bit, but for now, as we're getting the scale, let's play it well. So our C major scale, we're going 0, 2 with our middle finger on the C string. Then we go 0, 1, 3 on the E string with our 1 first finger, third finger. So you go Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So. Then on the next string, you go 0, 2, 3. So 0 middle ring. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Then we keep going. Re. So that's going to be ring finger on the 5, ring finger on the 7, ring finger on the 8. So, Do, Re, Mi, Fa. Then you're going to go So. That's the 10th fret. Some of you will have a dot there. Okay? So, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So. Then to the 12th fret, La. Then to the 14th fret, Ti with your pinky. Then to the 15th fret, Do. Alright? Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Let's try all of that together. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Backwards. Do, Ti, La, So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. With the numbers 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 3, 0, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 15, 14, 12, 10, 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0. And if we were saying the numbers according to the numbers in the scale, it would be, so what I just said was the fret numbers. So now according to the numbers in the scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And those ones are our C. Alright, so 1, 1. Now that's me saying the numbers according to the scale. So the same way I have Do, Do, Do. It's the same way I have 1, 1, 1. Right there. Okay? So don't get confused between the fret numbers and the harmonies in the numbers in the scale. In the scale we have 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we start again. 1, 2. Then you can keep going. But the point is, Do is the same as 1. All right, so enough of that. That's our C major scale. Let's now learn how to play our melody, body and soul. So we're gonna start off with our index finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. We're gonna play that 3 times, not long notes, but nice and short. So play, release, 3 times. All right, then we're gonna go index from the 3 to the 2nd, the 3rd fret to the 2nd fret, then pinky up to the 5th fret. So on the E string. Then we go back up. All right, so up is going this way. So if I say up, we're going down this way and moving up this way. We're going up the scale. Okay, so. All right, so I'm going pinky, index, middle, pinky. And make sure you use that pinky. Don't be a ukulele player that has a lazy pinky. Otherwise, you'll be disadvantaged when we're trying to do a lot of other quick stuff that does need your pinky. Then we go to part 2. We're going to take our pinky. We're going to go same rhythm on the 7th fret of the A string. Then we go 7, 5, 3, 5, 7, 8. So 7, 7, 7, 7, 5, 3, 5, 7, 8. Let's put that together. And just so it's clear, I'm saying fret numbers right now. Okay? So don't get confused between me saying the numbers of the scale versus the numbers of the frets. Part 3. So part 3 is take my pinky, put on the 10th fret, use your dots to help you. Then middle finger up a string on the E string, but on the 8th fret. Then I take my pinky, go to the 12, and we're just going to go all the way down. 12, 10 with a pinky, 10, so 12, 10 with a pinky, 8 with a middle finger, 7 with the index finger, 12, 10, 8, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3 with index finger. 12, 10, 8, 7, 5, 3. That's part 3. Let's put that together. Make sure you're using your pinky. So now part 4, what we're doing is once we go all the way down, we go to the 3. Now for part 4 we go 2, 0, we keep going backwards. So 3, 2, 0, then we go up with our ring finger, 3 on the E string, 1, 0, so 3, 2, 0, 3, 1, all right, 3, 2, 0, 3, 1, then the 0 behind, 0, 2, 3, 2 on the C string, 3 on the E string. Three, 1, 0, 2, 3, so 2, 3, middle on the C string, ring finger on the E string. Then start again. Now let's put the whole piece together twice, nice and slow. Ready? Go. 2, 3. 2, 3. Second time. Finish on a C major, or you can just play that note with the ring finger. That note with the ring finger is your C. Now let's see if we can speed it up a bit. But the only way you're going to be able to play quickly is if you can play it right slowly, and you've done it a number of times, so it becomes more muscle memory than anything else. So let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, nice and quick. right, now that's our lead part. Now let's get to what the rhythm player will be doing. That's the other person who's going to be playing with you. So you should be a duet when you're playing the song. Now the rhythm person is going to have a very easy job. What you're going to have 4 chords are C major, A minor, F major, G7. So remember, F major to G7, you just take down the middle finger, keep that index finger there, and you put your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, making that back tunnel. Right? So C, A minor, F, G7, C, A minor, F, G7. That is literally all they're doing. Super simple. So that means the next time you're doing a duet with your partner, you're going to have to switch so that they can take the melody line, the lead line, and you're going to play the rhythm. All right? So the only part of this that's a bit different is we're going to be strumming on the offbeat. So two, up, down, so it's like 1 and then 1, E and So the only tricky thing about this is the right hand. We're going to be strumming on the offbeats. We're going to go 1, E and 2, E and 3, E and 4, E and So we're not strumming on the 1, 2, 3s and 4s, but we're strumming in between. So 1, E and so that's 1, up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up. Alright? Now if you don't have the chuck yet, don't worry about it. You can easily just go up, down, up, stop. Up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. But if you have the chuck, it'll sound better. You can go 1, up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up. And it goes da, 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 on that C major, okay? So that's the only thing the rhythm guitarist, rhythm ukulele player is going to be doing. So up, down, up. Now to make it better and to make it a bit more interesting, let's make it quicker. So 1, it brings a nice feel into the song, especially if you get that chuck. So that's pretty much it. Alright, so remember, the point of a duet is to play with a partner. It's not just say, hey, I'm better than you and I can do this far quicker. What's wrong with you? No, it's to say, alright, let's try and slow it down. Let's see who's better at which part. And if your partner is not yet there, you have to be patient with them so that they can be able to play it well. So remember, you're only as good as your partner. If your partner is not there, then it's up to you to help them or up to you to encourage them to practice. But the point is, you've got to get it good. And you don't give up on your partner. You have to work well with them so that both of you can grow together and be able to make good music together. All right? So that is Body and Soul. Nice and easy. Just one thing I want to mention. You have 2 weeks to be able to master each duet piece. That means this week you're learning it and you're practicing with your partner. You have this week to learn it and the next week to be practicing with it. So this is our first duet piece. So you're going to have this week and the next week to get it really good. And then you're going to have your next duet piece. And then you're going to have that week and the week after. So you're always going to have 2 weeks per piece so that you can learn it and you can practice it with your partner. Okay? And then we'll be having other things in between. Music history and other stuff. All right? So yeah, make sure you schedule well with your partner and that they bring their ukulele to school and you also bring your ukulele to school for the days that you've said, okay? So have fun practicing Body and Soul and let's make some good music and I'll see you next time.